from multiple registers, multiple incidents of our team members sitting here, taking money out of the register, creating a wall of cash, putting it up on top of the register, placing a My Device over the top of it, finishing debanking the register, retrieving the My Device in cash and putting it in their jacket pocket.
What is a My Device?
My Device is this here.
Okay. Is this captured on video?
Of course.
Whatnot? Okay. So I'll have to see that.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna wait for the other officer to get here so he can sit with her. Are you guys looking to press charges for this, or?
Yes.
Okay. Alrighty. You know a total amount so far?
So far we're looking at $1,400 from the 2 days of the 4 registers.
Okay. Alright. Is there one of you that can kind of show me the video before we go further? Have you already interviewed her about it?
Yes, she is denying the entire thing.
Okay.
I'm Justin, by the way.
Austin. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, we tried to do the interviews, maybe so you can cooperate with us, but she's denying the whole thing.
Okay. Did you see her after she placed that device on it? Later on when she left the register, did she put it in her pocket?
Yep.
Or okay.
On the 20th, it was $300. I did that by comparing a $100 bill that I had in my pocket to the denomination. You can see it's like a slight color change. Also the pattern on the back with the Independence Hall facing the bottom. There's a bunch of empty blank space at the top and it matches no other bills.
Okay. And her drawers were short every day then? I would assume?
Yeah, the shortage was there.
Okay.
Yes, I found that both bags were put there, but then I watched this team member go over to another register, debank that register, and conceal the cash. I'll show you that initial video, but this is the one I clicked on first. There's our team member there. And I have a better picture of the face shot that coincide. You're good. You're good. They coincide time-wise, but this is a nice clear zoomed in over the top shot.
Okay. Can you pause that for a second, please? Okay. So we're in here just reviewing video real quick. It's great. You can close it. Can you just make sure she doesn't try to walk out?
Yep.
Alright. She's probably gonna be a 15, Chris, so.
So we're looking at 1s, 5s, 10s, 20s, 50s, and 100s, or in the last right room. It's a little bit more video because I got the whole process. But
So you combine the 50s and 100s in the far right? Is that how every register is supposed to be?
that's the standard, yeah. So what she does is she takes all of the money out of the register, and once she has it all out, she fans it all out, and then you can see the left side, which would be the larger bills are, because she's setting it up that way. She'll take multiple, what looks like on the low end to be 3.
Okay.
So we went with 3.
Now, is this common for a cashier to sit here and pull all the money out at the cash register and count it, and then...
Typically they should just take it all out, bang, 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 and put it in one of those bags.
So they're not usually counting it at the register?
They don't count at the register. We have a cash office and a machine that counts it.
Okay.
So smaller bills on top, bigger bills on the bottom. In the order that she pulled it off from. Right there, rolls it up, puts a rubber band on it, sets it on top, puts that My Device, the little phone thing, on top of it, puts the remainder of the money in the bag. Those are coupons, or manufacturer coupons. Those get processed as well.
Okay.
She then rebanks the register with the money that's supposed to go in there, all the way to the left. Place the bag on top, that's standard. Places that bag into the cart, and then she comes back and retrieves both her phone and the money that's underneath it. Right there. Into the right pocket.
Okay.
And then so there's one instance, and then just so you can see that we have it tracked over to that register.
What? Did you write down all the dates and times and everything on there? Oh, you did. Perfect.
But this is her going over to that same register. It's just a different camera angle, so you can see that it's positive identification of her doing it.
Are these 360 cams? Is that how you're able to move it, or is it
I can
automatic?
move only certain cameras. They are 360.
Okay.
I was live here watching this from my office.
Okay.
That's how I was able to zoom in and get that real clear shot. But this is a similar video. You can kind of see her do it here, but the top one's the best one. It's just another angle.
Okay.
You want to see that? You want to see another instance?
Oh no, I'll watch them all.
Perfect.
At this point.
Yep. How you been? You been good?
Yeah, the last guy we shot past, we've been dealing with him like the whole week.
The guy from here?
Yeah, every day. Every day we've been dealing with them.
Jeez. He came back a couple of times, but he like waited up front, got on the bus, and then left. Yeah, like I said, it's kind of hard to see from this angle, but this was more to see her going to the register, and that other one was for the actual cop. And you can see that matches the back of a $100 bill. Now there's that same manufacturer. She does like a spin move back to the other side. There she puts it in, and then she goes to another register.
Did she take money from the other register as well?
Yep. There's another instance, which she does here is a similar thing.
This is the second register, correct?
Yep, second register. Same day.
So why would she, she's just a cashier, right?
Yeah, she's actually the self-checkout attendant.
Okay, so is this common for her to go from register to take the money out and put it in the bag and bring it to you guys, or is it?
We have a team member that typically does it. Whether it's her or another team member, it's typical practice. They go register, take the money out, put it in the bags, put it in this cart, where it locks into the cart, and then it
So
brings to the cash
this is
box.
what she was assigned to do that at that point.
Yep, to do bank
Okay.
registers. And here we go. Roll it up, place it on top. Bag the rest of it. Repeat that same pattern, rebank the register all the way to the left. And retrieve money and phone, or my device, and place that into the pocket. I have the same instance, but on a different camera angle. So this would be back camera.
My name's Officer Kelly. I work for West Palm Beach Police Department. I'm sure you're aware of why we're here, because they told me that they had spoken to you about it.
Yeah, I have no evidence of that.
Okay. But first off, before I start, I have to read you your rights. It doesn't mean you're under arrest. It just something I have to do before I ask you any questions, okay? Have you ever heard of the Miranda warnings?
Mhm.
Okay. Back to this here, this states that I read you your rights. and that you understand your rights.
Does it say that on there?
No, but you verbally told me.
So but I know that that's what the signature is for.
Yeah, that is what it's for. It's not an admission of guilt or anything like that. Just stating that original rights. Alright, so as I spoke to your colleagues there, they basically are accusing you of, they're accusing you of taking an unknown amount of money at this point, somewhere close to the range of $1,400. Do you know anything about this at all?
No.
Okay. How long have you worked here for?
Almost 3 years.
Okay, and you've had no other issues like this within the last 3 years, correct? I noticed on camera that you were responsible for going from register to register and taking the money out of the drawer. Is that a common practice of
Yes.
yours? Okay. And what is included in that practice? What do you do? Can you explain to me?
So I am taking the money from the day out and putting new money for the next day.
Okay. And when you take the money out, do you count it or anything like that?
No,
So
there's no
you
need
just,
to.
so how would you take it out of the drawer?
Just take it out, put it in the red or green bag, and then put the next bag into the.
Okay. So you basically just go from each money slot, pull it out, place it in a bag, don't look at it or anything.
Right.
Right. Okay.
I fix it up if I need to, but
So if it's out of order or something,
Yeah.
you'll fix it up? Okay. Would there be any reason why you would roll up money?
No.
Okay, so you wouldn't roll it in to any kind of like money roll and then put a rubber band over it or anything?
No.
Okay. So when I was watching the video footage, it's pretty clear that it's what you were doing, is rolling it into a money roll, placing a rubber band over it, and then placing it on top of the desk. Why would you be doing that?
I didn't do that, so.
You didn't do that? Okay. So why would the video footage show you doing that? Okay. You see where I'm at here, right? I'm watching a video footage that's unedited from the department store who has no reason to accuse you of this.
I don't know if it's unedited, but I have never done anything like that.
Okay. Is there anything else you'd like to add to this? Okay. All right. Just stay down.
Mm-hmm.
Can I answer my phone? Is that okay?
Just give it a couple minutes. Just give it a couple minutes. He's gonna be right back.
So, Ms. Janine, based off the video evidence and the statements made by your coworkers, I'm going to be taking you to jail tonight. Is there anything on your person that might poke or stick me?
No.
Okay, can you stand up for me, please? I'm just going to pat you down with the back of my hands, okay? I'm not going to manipulate you in any way, all right? You're on video recording. What's in these pockets here?
My phone, candy,
Okay.
and things.
So I'm just going to have you go ahead and take everything out and place it on the desk right here.
Oh, that's.
$2.05 is one. Anything in your other pockets?
No.
If you have a female officer available, can you start her for a pat down, please? We're going to have a 10:15.
What is going to happen with my items?
They're going to go with you to jail. Okay. Can you take this jacket off? Okay, thank you. Those okay?
Yep.
Not too tight?
And when do I get to speak to a lawyer?
That will be after processing. So once you get processed into the jail, then you'll have an opportunity to call whoever you would like.
That's their stuff.
This is,
No, the
oh,
jacket's
that's all
mine,
hers.
yeah.
Okay, the jacket's yours.
Yeah.
Chris, do you mind grabbing that?
Yeah, I got you.
Is your car here?
Yes.
Okay. Let me stand back real quick. Are you going to want her trespass from here as well?
Charlie 1 was home. Everything's going to work.
Yeah.
I think so. No.
You don't want her trespassing. Okay. Her car is here. So once she gets released from jail at some point, she's gonna have to come back here and pick up her car. She's nobody to pick it up. Okay. So okay.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So it's a liability thing. So we have to detain you like this, unfortunately.
And you guys to walk me out of side doors, I'm assuming?
If there is a side door available, yeah, we can do that. I don't see why not. However, our cars are parked at the front, so
I know you guys know the fire emergency doors or whatever.
I've actually never been through them, so I don't know where they're at.
Especially we don't know how to get downstairs either.
Are you guys able to walk us out a side door so we don't have to parade her through the store?
We kind of only have the one exit. The other ones are emergency only.
Will an alarm go off if we go out then?
Yeah.
Okay, alright then.
And that's it.
That's ours.
Okay, come with us.
You can leave me there. Tell me where to go.
I'll just walk with you. Can one of you guys lead us out?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Excuse me. Okay. Sorry, Chris. We're gonna go to the passenger side over here. Hang on, wait 1 second. Let me just make sure there's nothing back here. Mind just leaning against the car here for me.
Could you loosen the left side?
Left side?
Yeah.
Is it because it's caught in your hairband, do you think? Or is it...
It's starting to dig in.
Let me take this. Oop. It's okay? Alright. Go ahead and have a seat. I'm going to reach around you and I'm going to put the seatbelt on, okay? Actually, I'll wait because I have a female officer that's going to come and do a thorough search on you. I'm going to drive you to the back over there so we're not doing all this right up front, okay?
Delta 5 or Delta 3 to target.
Go ahead.
Just want to make sure you're 10-4 and also 2 Charlie 1 is 51 now. 69 on the block of South Dixie.
10-4, so.
Am I not able to bail myself out right away? Or
I'm sorry, sweetie?
am I not able to bail myself out right away?
So you'll probably be seeing a judge in the morning. That's how it usually works. Yeah, so you'll be in there overnight, okay? Or Austin, do you want to get them in my bag? In my car? You want to get them out of my car? Yeah, property bag?
He has one. He's bringing it over.
Okay. Oh, he has hers?
Yeah.
Okay.
And even if I'm innocent, all this is for what?
Okay. Well, that's something that you're going to have to talk to the judge, and it's going to be an investigation. Okay?
She was charged with felony grand theft. However, she took a guilty plea to a misdemeanor petty theft. She was sentenced to take a theft abatement course and probation.